I'm Glenice from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division. Welcome to our exclusive property tour at the Visionaire. Today, we're excited to showcase a stunning and spacious high-floor 4-bedder with a gorgeous pool view. Located in a luxurious resort living community, this unit offers the perfect blend of tranquility, functionality and contemporary living. Let's dive right in! As you step into this beautiful corner unit, the northeast-facing main door brings in an abundance of natural light and good cross ventilation, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. The spacious balcony area, equipped with zip-track blinds, offers a perfect spot to relax and unwind while enjoying the serene pool view. The well-designed layout ensures a functional and comfortable living experience. Rest assured, this home is in move-in condition as it has been meticulously maintained by its owner. The monthly Sqft fee is at $328, ensuring that the property is well maintained and the facilities are in top-notch condition. Each of the 4 bedrooms is thoughtfully designed to provide privacy and comfort. This home enjoys a prime location in the premium stack, enjoying a peaceful and quiet environment with no afternoon sun. The Visionaire provides an array of impressive facilities, from the karaoke room, dance room and piano room, to the 3 jacuzzis and pool table room. Entertainment is aplenty. Stay fit and active with a well-equipped gym, outdoor trails, courtyards or enjoy a game of tennis. Finally, the clubhouse offers a perfect space for community gatherings and events. This exceptional condominium offers luxurious resort-like living, complete with convenience and leisure options. With its strategic location and wide range of nearby amenities, this could be your perfect dream home. Now a fully sheltered walkway connects you directly to Canberra MRT just 0.59 kilometers away, with Sembawang MRT also within close proximity from your doorstep. Running errands is a breeze with several grocery options nearby. We have Sing Song at 105 Canberra Street, Fair Price at Canberra Plaza and Giant at 604 Sembawang Road. For shopping, Sun Plaza, Sembawang Shopping Centre and Canberra Plaza, just 0.8 kilometers away, offer countless options. Plus, North Point City is just 1 MRT stop away. For families with children, Wellington Primary School is just 0.65 kilometers away, while Canberra Primary School is 1.18 kilometers. Ahmad Ibrahim Primary School and Chongfu Primary School are also within a short distance. Treat your taste buds to a diverse local culinary experience at Bukit Canberra Hawker Centre and Jalan Legundi, both within a short distance. Chong Pang Market and Food Centre, just 2.1 kilometers away, also has plenty of options. Embrace an active lifestyle with plenty of recreational options nearby. The Canberra Park Connector provides scenic walking and cycling trails, with Bukit Canberra Active SG Sport Hall and Sembawang Park further north. We hope you have enjoyed exploring this exceptional home. Until next time, happy house hunting. This is Glenice from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division, signing off.